okay. Come.
Welcome to the low mid budget watch report. Yeah, so this was last summer. I was in the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna tell you where, but it's a legendary place, and there's never any people there. So I went there with my kids, and there's a big mountain of blue sand, and I wanted to impress my kids, so I ran up hills. I ran to the top of the sand mountain. It's a big mountain made of blue sand. Yeah. So, yeah, that was very stupid because I got high blood pressure, and when I went up, I was feeling like, oh, I'm going to have a, stroke or something, but I was fine. When I went up there, I looked at my watch and it was full of blue sand, and I think it was the Timex Sierra North Expedition North, yeah, something like that. But yeah, and then I thought to myself, I need a new action watch. The watch is fine, but I need a new action watch, and that's the story behind it. This one that I bought. So today we are diving deep, very deep into Citizen's most underrated watch. It is the BN0157-11X. It's green, it's mean, and it runs on sunbeams. This is how it looks. Very nice. This is not your ordinary desk diver. It has a 44mm stainless steel case with slick green PVD coating. Yeah, it's very big, but thanks to its compact lug to lug, around 48mm, it wears surprisingly well on most wrists, even the smaller ones. Inside this one you will find the movement, the Eco Drive movement, caliber E168, which means there's no batteries, no stress, just lights and a lots of it. So yeah, you need light. You need either sunlight, or you can charge this under a desk lamp. It doesn't matter. It's very good in that way. And yeah, it's water resistant up to 200 meters, or down to 200 meters below water. And it's ISO 6425 certified, so this isn't just a diver style watch, it's the real deal. It comes with a screw down crown and a screw in case back, and it has a unidirectional bezel, and yeah, it's very precise and very easy to move, as you can see. It feels very robust. You also got luminous hands and markers that glows like a nuclear reactor when it has been exposed to proper sunlight, that is. So yeah, seriously, I woken up at 3 a.m. and I thought the watch was haunted. So the lumen is very, 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 very good when you exposed it to sunlight. Yeah, it has crystal mineral glass, yes, not sapphire, so you might pick up some scratches over time. but yeah, for the price it's acceptable. And it goes for around between 100 to 200 dollars, I think, or 100 or 200 euros. I actually don't remember what I bought this, because I haven't been on YouTube for a long time, and I bought this months ago, so I actually don't remember how much. So let's talk comfort. The rubber band is very comfy, but it looks kind of cheap. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but it will do. But you can put some NATO band on it if you're a strap nerd. So yeah, it's easy to swap. So this is how the watch looks up close. Yeah, looks pretty nice, right? And this is how the watch looks on the wrist. And as you can see, it glows in the dark. And hey, before we go, I ran this review to the time teller, and he said, "This is the best green watch since Moses parted the Red Sea." And as a proud Jewish horology nerd, he knows his miracles. Jokes, jokes. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, or don't. Hit the dislike button if you don't like this. And don't forget to subscribe or unsubscribe for the most honest reviews and occasional bad jokes. See you next time. Peace!